Guys, here I am at J Maxx, scrolling through their clearance, this little clearance area they have for their makeup and accessories. Let's see what they have over here, guys. They tore this up. So here you have a Cala. What is that? A dual facial brush and headband. Okay, so this, I don't see a price on it, guys. All right, so this one over here is Pearl Essence Tone and Sculpt Duo, and that's reduced down to $10, guys, for that. Then you have these headbands for $4.50. They come two in a pack. Then you have this ID boarding pass. This is pretty neat, guys. Let's see how much that is. $4.50. Then you have this nail clipper duo, and that's $3. Then you have this mirror for $2.50. Then you have this hairbrush, elegant luxury styler, $3.99. That's not on clearance. Then you have this blow dryer brush, $1.50. That's pretty nice. That's extra volume. Glam Waves. Could always use some Glam Waves. That's $1.50, but it's bent. Okay, so maybe some of the stuff is damaged, guys. Okay, so the hot air brush, this one is $12 for that. Anyway, so you also have some products over here, so let's take a look at those. So you have this one, Pravana, for $8. Then you have the Color Protectant Spray, that's $8. And then you have her Color Natural Color Kit, that's shampoo and conditioner, and those are $8 each. So here is the Bio Silk, $8. The Hydrotherapy, $6. So pretty much these products here, Bio Silk, those are $6. So the Matrix is $12. What is this one? Chi Argan Oil. That's really good for your hair. $7. And here's the Chi Total Protect. That's $8. Then you have the Chi Keratin Conditioner. That's $12. And this one, Joico Moisture Recovery Conditioner. That one is $12. And then you also have all of their brands here. So I've never used their brands, but these guys are all $6. And then here is another conditioner that's $6. So you have the Color Endure and the Moisture Recovery. Then this is the Bed Head. That's $8. So then here you have some more of the Bio Silk. So you have the 3-pack here. That's $20. So that's $20. Then you have this Rust. I've used their products, are really good. That's $6. And here's some Shine Spray. That's $8. Argan Oil, the body wash. That's pretty neat. Let's see how much that is. $8. Okay, guys, so you have some wipes. This is Bolero wipes, guys. Over here, these Bolero wipes, look. You can find this at the Dollar Tree for $1, guys. You hear me? $3 here, and that's reduced. Okay, so I just thought I'd tell you guys. All right, so then you have the Daily Self-Love Rituals. That's $3.50. Then you have this one, the Facial Mist, $2 for those. Then you have the Hydrating Cleanser, $2. Then you have these up here. So this is $22. This is Hydrate and Nourish. I don't know how to pronounce that, guys, so I'm not going to butcher it. That's $4. Okay, then you have this face mask. It's made with hemp, and that is $8 for that. So here, isn't that cute? This has a little scoop. Glowing Skin Exfoliating Lavender Blossom. This is $3. That's cute. Here's your retinol. Here's a retinol cream, night cream, guys, $4.50. Then you have the Bare Minerals, the foundation with SPF, and I don't see a price on that. So if we come over here, oh, we have a lot of dental stuff over here. So here are the replaceable brushes. So these are $7.99, and these are not on clearance. And here is the pick. So this pick As Seen on TV. I didn't even know they had stuff that was As Seen on TV. Then you have the floss pick with the mint taste. They look like they look wooden, but they're not. Okay, they are $3.99. And then here you have the breath mist. So the crest, that is $4.99. Then over here you have this toothbrush. Okay, I'm not sure. That's $3.99. And here's the double one made of bamboo brushes. So this one is $6.99. Then you have the eco-friendly toothbrush, a double pack for $4.99, guys. So they have a lot of this dental care here, which I didn't know they had. So the Natural Dentist Healthy Breath Cool Mist, $5.99. These are $5.99, and then the Hello one is $3.99. So here is Jason, and Jason is $4.79. Ego Living, here's the bamboo brush. So that is $6.99, guys. And then here's the fluoride toothpaste by Hello. These are $3.19. Then you have the luster. Then you have this one, coconut oil toothpaste. Have you ever heard of that, guys? I haven't. So that's $5.99. That's interesting. Then you have the activated charcoal here, My Magic. That's $5.99. And here is the whitening activated charcoal toothpaste for $5.99. So down here you have the mirrors, that beauty vanity mirror. Let's see. That is $7.99, guys. Okay, so we come over here, we come to this. This is the Skin Ritual set, 3-piece set, and this is $12.99. Then you have some essential oils, guys. So this is a smooth hot and cold pad. Okay, so this is on clearance for $4. Then you have this facial steamer. That is $16.99, guys. I could use one of those. Then here's the Sonic Refresher, the pore extractor. You know, I always wanted to get one of these. $44.99. Wow, that's expensive. Then you have the Relief Wrap over here, and this is As Seen on TV, $29.99 here. Then you have some essential oils. So these are $7.99 for the Natural Love. This is CBD essential oil set, lavender, serenity, $14.99. Then you have this kind, and this is $9.99. So you have a variety of these, guys. So let's see what's over here. Okay, so you have your passport. So this seems to be big here today. So you have your passport wallet and this change wallet with airplanes and cameras, and you know, I wish I was traveling. And that double pack there is $3, guys. Look at that. That is a bargain. And here's a travel backpack. Let's see how much that is. That's $9.99. Then you have this Maui, the 2-pack with the passport and that wallet. That's also $3. I like that, guys. Here's a travel money belt. That is $2. Then you have this protection aluminum wallet. That's $3.50. And then here is your carry-on travel roll-up space bag. Okay, $2. That sounds like a bargain. 3-piece packing squares. I like this. This is definitely, I don't know if the price is a good idea, but definitely the pack is a good idea. So here's the eye patch mask. So this is 3 sets of patches, and that's $1. Oh, whoa. And then that one over there says lifting and firming. I like that. So here you have your deep oil hydrating. Let me see. That is $2. The carry-on clip. That is $5.50 for that carry-on clip. Then you have some more passport ID stuff. And it comes with a pen too. It's $2.50, guys. So we're kind of loaded up with that stuff. Even the locks. So we have the Samsonite locks, and those are $3, guys. And Gabbana, $64.99 for that light blue. And then this Angel Muse Muggler. This is $49.99. Then here's the Couture, Juicy Couture. And then this one is $29.99. Here's Versace, the Bright Crystal. And this one is, what is that one? $34.99. Then you have this one, the Raw Spirits. And that one, let me see. I know it's on clearance for $40. Then you have this one, Viva La Juicy, $44.99. Okay, so then you have this one. That one is Signature. This one is $15. Then you have JC Marc Jacobs. This one is $49. Then you have Raw Spirit over here, Winter Oak, and that one is $40. Okay, so you have this Vanilla Coffee Grounds Soft, the soap. It smells so good, guys, you won't believe. $3.99. This is Hydrate and Nourish, and this is $7.99 for that. Then you have this soap, this Triple Mill soap. So this is $3.99. Then if you come over here, you have this one, the Rosemary Mint. That's $3.99, guys. Then you have this one, the Sea Salt and Kelp Extract, $3.99. The Body Bar Soap, Eucalyptus, $3.99. And then they have the Destiny Boutique over here, $4.99. Then they have another hemp bar over here, and those are $3.99. So guys, we have a lot of those. Okay, so here's some more soap, exfoliating, and here's some essential oils. Guys, this one is Australian, natural Australian, $3.99, and aromatherapy stuff down here. This is lemon, myrtle, and aloe. That sounds so nice. $3.99. This is coconut and chia. Wow, that's interesting. So that is $3.99. And look at this one, Tilly, $4.50. I like these. These are all natural. So guys, here's hemp and cedar, $3.99. And then some lavender bars down here. De La Renta Bella Rose, that's $24.99. Tuca, $14.99. Define Me. Okay, and that one is $12. And look at this one. So this one is Pure Blanc, $12.99. Look how cute these are. Aren't these adorable? $6.50. And that is Define Me. Then you have this down here, guys, the Apple Blossom. And this one is $8.99. And then here's Versace. This one's open though. There's nothing in there, $14.99. So here's some facial stuff, like some purifying wash, facial wash. Here's the firming one. Here's the Biore and the black mask. So let's see. This is $2.99. This cucumber one here is $2.99. The Biore is $4.99. Then you have this Shea Moisture. Guys, that one is $6.99. This is the Long Lasting Manicure and Pedicure Base Coat Bonder. Then you have this 24 karat gold mask. This mask is $3.99, guys. The charcoal one there, and here's a cucumber one here. I think this is cucumber. No, it's green tea. Happy Skin for $6, so that was only reduced $1. And then here by Crop Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Okay, guys, well, thank you for coming with me, guys, to TJ Maxx just to randomly check out some of their beauty items, and I will see you in the next video.